To turn off the Format Painter, I simply press the Escape key and that'll turn it off. Now with all of these columns, you'll notice that they all have a certain width. I can click right up here between these two columns and I can change the width of the column. Here I made it smaller, and you'll notice that it changed to these hash symbols. And the reason why is the full number doesn't fit within the space. The number's still there, but you just can't view it because it's too narrow. So right up here, I could drag it to make it wider again. Here I could select multiple columns, and here I could drag the edge, and that'll adjust the size of multiple columns at the same time. Now you might think, well, what if I want to adjust it to make sure it fits all the content, so I have to go through and adjust the width until I get it just right? Well, now you don't have to do that. You could simply double click on the divider here between the two columns, and that will apply a best fit. It'll ensure that it fits whatever the widest content is in this selection area. Now, let's say you want to best fit multiple columns. You could go through and select all the columns you want to best fit. Or here in the top left-hand corner, I could click on this triangle icon, and that selects all the columns, and here all the rows. And here I could simply double click, and that'll make sure that all the columns fit the data on the sheet. This works for rows as well. Here I could simply double click, and that'll ensure a best fit for the rows, so it behaves the same way as the columns.